What up, guys? We're here at Tonka. It looks pretty great. It looks magnificent. This whole curve in here. It doesn't. It's not busy at all. You can tell there's not a lot of boat traffic. It's going to be perfect for the yaks. You think there's any crappie on these docks?
I bet there is.
I bet there's got to be some.
That looks, and the water is calm enough that we can shoot it.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm excited. I worry about the legitimacy of me getting into this off of a dock.
It's really not bad. I sat down on the dock.
Start where them rocks are. Work the banks.
Twitter.
Should be.
It looks pretty good.
Should be bass and or crappie, and or whatever else. Here's what I'm working with today. I got my sharpshooter, so I'm gonna try to shoot these docks up here. Right now I've got a Bobby Garland on, but I don't know what I'm gonna end up using. I've also got my little rod here. I got my 308 Mitchell on it. I'm gonna put a bobber on this guy and try to bobber fish off the banks a little bit. And see if these crappie's still on it. I've got a little slab tail on it, pretty small. And I've got a spinning reel or spinning rod in case we want to try to catch some bass. Which would be stupid not to if they're biting. You know what I'm saying? I knew this was going to be a good... I feel like I discovered this spot. No one else has ever been here before.
Oh, right.
Well, just looking at that map, probably the same map you looked at, you know?
Yeah.
I was like, look at that big-ass cove. It's got docks on it. It's big as fuck. Let's see if I can get in here without hurting myself. Since I'm here, I'm going to stand on this and see how... Dude, I don't know how they do it. There's no way I would do that. There's no fucking way. That's horrible.
Really?
Yes.
I really don't think it's that bad.
Standing?
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, let's go fuck this shit up. See these docks over here, I like it because the shade right now is over here by this tree line. I mean, the sun's probably coming like this. So I figure there'll be some dark spots over there. Look at that, Jonathan just threw in that fucking tree. Ain't no fish up in that tree, bro. It's a pretty good one. Wow. I will. He's a keeper. It's a keeper. just a hair over 9. Little black.
Baby, that was wild. Came out of nowhere. All right, let's get back. That just came out of nowhere. Oh no! I was fishing until this happened. God, that. It was alright. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried. Yeah. I was like, holy shit, I'm gonna die.